Have you ever wondered why you resemble your mom and your dad, yet not exactly like either of them? The answer, my friends, lies in a fascinating biological process called crossing over. So, what exactly is crossing over? Well, think of it as a genetic mashup. It's a process where two homologous chromosomes, that's a pair of matching chromosomes, one from each parent, get together and swap bits of genetic material. This exchange happens between what we call the non-sister chromatids of these homologous chromosomes. It's as if they're sharing their genetic stories, and in doing so, they create a brand new story. This incredible event takes place during the pachytene stage of prophase I, a key phase of meiosis, the cell division that creates our reproductive cells. The actual swap happens at specific points called chiasma. The matching regions on the matching chromosomes break, and then they reconnect to the other chromosome. It's a precise, intricate dance of DNA that ultimately creates new combinations of genes. This is the magic of crossing over. It's one of the final and most important phases of genetic recombination. It's why you get a unique mix of traits from your parents, and it's a major reason for the incredible genetic diversity we see in all living things. Significance of crossing over. So, why is this process so significant? Let's break it down. 1. Creation of variability. First and foremost, crossing over creates variability. It's the engine that generates new combinations of genes, or recombinants. These new combinations are formed in gametes, sperm and egg cells, and are not found in either parent. This genetic diversity is absolutely crucial for the survival and evolution of species. 2. Locating genes. Secondly, this process is super useful for scientists. By studying the frequency of crossing over, we can actually figure out the location of genes on a chromosome. 3. Linkage maps. This brings us to a third point. Crossing over is vital for creating what are called linkage maps or chromosome maps. These maps give us a detailed blueprint of where genes are located and in what order, which is a huge deal in genetics. 4. Linear arrangement of linked genes. It also provides powerful evidence for the linear arrangement of linked genes on a chromosome. Think of genes on a chromosome like beads on a string. Crossing over proves they're arranged in a specific, predictable order. 5. Useful for plant and animal breeders. And finally, crossing over is a secret weapon for plant and animal breeders. They use this process to their advantage, trying to create new, useful combinations of genes by encouraging crossing over. It allows them to develop stronger, more resilient crops and animals. So there you have it. Crossing over is not just a biological process, it's a fundamental mechanism that drives genetic diversity, helps us understand our own biology, and even allows us to improve the world around us. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the amazing world of science. Thanks for watching.